Are sometimes sent to the South Dakota State Training School in Plankinton. The institution offers vocational education along with traditional schooling to more than 100 kids. Today the school held an open house to show how its open door policy is keeping kids straight. Barb McManus reports.
You won't find fences, bars, or locked gates here because the discipline is based on positive peer pressure.
So that way people that are experiencing the same things you're going through are trying to help you out, which makes it easier, so you think if it's working for them, it can work for me too.
Please.
Proud students help guide visitors on a tour of the school. They feel the programs here have helped them prepare for adulthood. One student says he feels people have the wrong impression of the school.
It's like a junior prison. It's not. It's a place where you go to learn how to, be responsible and not make the same mistakes again.
The program's called Positive Peer Culture, and it was introduced at the training school over 15 years ago. Since then, discipline problems have gone down, and students are helping themselves and each other.
They try to help each other in solving their problems and being able to realize that they have to change their type of behavior in order to go back out in society and make it.
The program is also teaching responsibility. Students are responsible for the upkeep of the grounds, the cottages, and their classmates' grades.
Helping is a big part of the group culture. If you can learn to help somebody else, you can learn to help yourself.
By teaching kids to have pride in themselves, staff members hope students can say no to the peer pressure that can get them into trouble. Barb McManus, Eyewitness News,